Welcome to JH. Skinport.com is the marketplace where gamers go to buy and sell digital outfits for Counter-Strike 2 and other titles. If you've ever stayed up at night wondering if Skinport is actually legit or just another way to lose your lunch money, let's break it down together. First off, their Trustpilot rating is a massive green flag. Skinport is currently flexing a 4.9-star rating with over 34,000 reviews. And yes, we actually checked to see if they were faked, because we know how much the internet loves a good fairy tale. Turns out, that rating is the real deal. Most users report the same experience. It's safe, incredibly easy to use, and payments are smoother than your last failed clutch. Skins arrive in your Steam inventory almost instantly, which is great for those of us with zero patience. People also love the clean interface and fair fees, and surprisingly, the support team actually gets praised. Reviewers say they respond quickly and solve issues fast, which is a nice change of pace from the usual automated bot nightmare we've all come to expect from tech companies. Next, we looked into their history, and Skinport has been around since 2018. That's over half a decade, which in internet years is basically ancient history. Usually, if a site is going to scam you, they don't stick around long enough to see a sequel to their favorite game. They are also incredibly active across social media, boasting over 100,000 followers on X alone. They actually show their faces and interact with the community, which is a bold move for anyone not trying to hide in a digital bunker. Another major plus is that they offer real, visible customer support, including an email, phone number, and a physical address. It's called transparency, a concept some other sites seem to find deeply offensive. This gives users peace of mind knowing they can actually reach a human being if things go sideways. After checking the reviews, the social presence, and their long history, the final verdict is that Skinport.com is legit, trustworthy, and safe to use. If you're into trading skins, this platform is easily one of the top options available right now. Thanks for hanging out and letting us do the digging for you. If this helped you keep your digital assets safe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest checks and gaming tips. See you in the next video, and please, try not to spend your entire rent check on a virtual knife. Stay safe and happy gaming.